This is Barbados.
This was Barbados.
Yeah.
The bus driver just said the same joke. It's like very much torn down. Yikes. Assignment and everything. Got off the internal bus and we are at the Old Port Royal. I think you're supposed to say it Royale.
With an E on the end, it's Royale.
Royale bus stop where they are doing some pretty heavy construction as per that. But supposedly over here they have just different amenities for food and things like that. So we're trying to find that stuff, see what's up with that, grab a little bite, and then go check out our room and probably take a little nap because we're planning to be out pretty late this evening. I think we just have to go like around this pretty much.
Yeah.
I think, oh, that's like a big tall building through there. That's probably what was all of the services. All right, so we walked up to the water. It's a very beautiful looking resort. I like it. Very nice little beach over there, some hammocks.
I think that's our area.
Oh, is that it? Jamaica?
So.
All right. Oh yeah, because they said it was across the island, so this would be the island thing, because we're up by the big pool now. And these, instead of the gift shop, they have this. Instead of the food court, they have a food truck. This part looks like kind of scary. Yeah, I feel like a lot of alligators live here. On Caribbean Cay, which is the island in the center here.
It feels kind of abandoned and creepy.
It feels really creepy. There's like only these black crows squawking, nothing else. But there's a fire pit there from the evenings. Supposedly over here somewhere is where they do the screen for the movies Under the Stars. There's a playground that way. I think this is the movies. No, more playground. Playground. Oh, neat.
Hummingbird, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Or a giant bug.
Ooh, I don't know. It doesn't.
That was a hummingbird.
I thought so too, and then it was coming right at me. It scared me. It's quite the maze in here. Like, it would be very easy to get lost.
We got a corner room.
All right.
I think so.
Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the outside of our room.
This is our room. 2 windows. Looks big from the outside. Let's see on the inside. Light switch. Okay.
Alright.
Looks cute. Ooh, trundle. Or whatever it's called.
Trundle bed?
The...
Whoa!
Yeah. That's the trundle bed.
Lots of stores.
I don't think that's called a trundle. What's that called? Like a...
No, it's a trundle bed.
I thought trundles were only under other beds.
No, you're right.
I don't know. So
Murphy bed.
So this is the like single Murphy bed for a 5th person.
Just kidding. It holds an adult.
It holds a Tony. Right on. Alright, looks like there's... Ooh, cool.
Oh, wow.
fridge. I thought that was gonna be drawers. It really fooled me.
Yeah.
I like the clear front so you can see what you have in there. Because I often forget if we do have more bottled water or not. So that's neat.
These should all be extra blanket.
Extra blanket.
We won't be using the top.
Extra pillows.
Pillow for this bed.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably the pillow blanket for
Oh,
that bed.
that would make sense. Pillow and blanket for this bed if you want to use it.
And then two bigger
Two
drawers.
very deep drawers rather than the usual 3 to 6 shallow drawers.
Actual glasses instead of the plastic ones.
What up, Moderate Resort?
Yeah, really.
And back here, very nice. 2 plugs and 2 USBs. Very nice.
And in the middle of the bed.
A little bit of artwork. Oh, in the middle of the bed? Okay, very nice. The full doors here. At the values, you just get like a curtain. At the moderates and up, you get like a full door to the bathroom area.
I don't know if there's nothing like Carol behind the scenes. Whoa.
Very cool. I like it. Yeah, body lotion. The values don't give body lotion anymore, and I've been very dry, so I'm excited about that for checking into a moderate. All right, so here's the bathroom space. Like I said, separated by these big doors. Very light and bright in there, which is nice. You get 2 sinks.
Big mirror.
Has very nice modern fixtures there. Big mirror. Looks like a lighted beauty mirror. Very cool. The 2 sides. Right on. Lots of towels. Some storage space under here, which is nice. We like to put our toiletry bags under there. Very convenient.
Lots of storage space, which is nice.
Iron and ironing board. Here's the safe. Standard and like in every room.
Looks like it's...
It is shut. Ooh. And then the actual bathroom. Curtain. Shower tub combo. Latrine.
The fan comes on automatically when you walk in.
Okay. Right on. Lots of towels, which is great. There's a bath soap. Shampoo and conditioner. Very nice. And lots of little hooks back here for hanging things. And a big full-length mirror on the back of this door with the Tony in it. What's this, like a dimmer? Oh, you can turn the fan off.
Okay, I just turned it on automatically when I walked in there.
Yeah. So they are separate or together, however you like them. Very nice big flat screen. Wow, that is a huge TV for a hotel room.
That's about the size that we had in the one-time stay Contemporary.
Yeah, I think so. That's a very large TV. Awesome. And then over on this side of the room, which is actually by the front door, we just ran past it in haste. Very cool table. Has like a little compassy type look on top. 2 chairs. They look like modern, fancy, like backyard barbecue chairs. Like they look outdoorsy inside. Very fun pineapple base to the table. And green shears. And then nice big thick blackout curtains for if you'd like to sleep in.
I just realized this
Very pretty.
is the top of the pineapple, like if you were looking at a pineapple.
Oh, that's so true. Yeah. Very nice. Very cool. And most resorts nowadays have a place with some hooks and such. We always find that very convenient. And then right by the front door is the light switch, which is like the teeniest little light switch ever.
Yeah, that kind of surprised me.
Yeah. And when I reached for it, I was like, what? Very cool. This feels really interesting.
So yeah, this is a standard room.
Yes.
It's like the farthest end of the resort away from the lobby, which is okay, and we're about as far as we could be from the Centertown area. But I don't think we'll actually go there much just with this construction going on.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe if it wasn't under construction, we'd use it more because then we'd have options for like, I just want some waffles.
Yeah.
I'll pay the $9. Whereas this, it's like all in for a full buffet. For the 2 of us, now it becomes 30. Whereas usually we can split waffles for like
a decent price.
$10. We split them and we're good for breakfast. Here, if we wanted to go to breakfast, it's $15 per adult, so it'd be $30 for us to both go in there and eat.
So I guess my recommendation for this resort is like while it's under construction, if you're somebody who likes to eat and play and enjoy everything at the resort, I would avoid Caribbean Beach for now. Because like for instance at Coronado, you can stay there and go to the Pepper Market and the Maya Grill, and it's, I don't know, it's just everything's very functional there. Whereas here, they're so limited. If you're somebody who likes to eat at your resort, this isn't the place for you right now.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks like it would be a great resort for relaxing and doing all that stuff, staying on property when it's done. But for now, I don't think so. And like you said, Coronado Springs, all the main facilities are not under construction. So yeah, there is construction happening, but it's not on your hotel room. It's not on any services that you need. It's like just next to you.
Auxiliary stuff.
Yeah, exactly. I think I hear rain. Holy smokes.
Downpour.
Yikes. I was like, I think I hear it. It might just be wind.
We just barely missed that.
Wow, we got so lucky. Like literally, we've been in the room for 6 minutes filming this video, and that could have been us had we taken a little more time. Had we ate over there.
Yeah, don't eat there.
You'll get stuck in a rainstorm.
But no, like walking out of the room, this is like a very nice view.
Yeah,
so
very pretty.
I'm surprised. Like I was very nervous, but I'm pleasantly surprised with
Absolutely.
the room and the resort. It is a modern after all.